Hello, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall a program in Windows 10. And I think it might work in like Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, 8.1 as well. But anyways, so what you do is first you highlight and copy the file path that I have provided in the link below. Excuse me, in the description below. And then you paste it after you open up a file explorer. You go to, you open File Explorer. You got one of these. Alright. So then you take and then you paste it. And then you hit enter or whatever. And there you go. It takes you to your control panel, programs and features. Alrighty. That's just a quick way of doing it. The quickest, I would say. Anyways, so then you just find something that you don't want. And, well, there's really nothing that I do not want. Let's see. Let me go ahead and look for something. Well, I don't need this alchemy right here because it really doesn't work. Alright. Then you just click on that and there you go. Well, I don't want to restart my computer right now, so I just hit no. But that's the easiest way to do it. Another way you can do it is actually by going, we'll say, if you know where something is, for instance, you go into your local disk drive, you go into your programs folder or programs, program files is your 64-bit drivers or programs, and then this is the non-64-bit. Anyway, you go into your program files and say you want to, I really don't know, well, let's just say, let me find something here. I'm not sure what olive is, but I think it's something important. Anyway, so you go to type, click on that so it makes your applications. There you go. And see now this one, oh, okay, I know what that is. Alright, but we're not going to uninstall this, but so you have, see where it says uninstall? You just click the uninstall and then it'll ask you to uninstall this program and you hit uninstall, which I'm not going to, or you'll have OK or continue or something, whatever. But that's one way of doing it. And there's also, you can go through, sometimes you can go through, oops, and you can go in and let's see, olive for instance. Alright, olive, and see, there you go. There would be an uninstall right there. And then also other things. Let's see. So like Vegas. Okay, there's nothing here. But you can right click and you can hit uninstall. So there's just several different ways of doing so. So I hope this helped, and I hope it wasn't confusing to you. And if you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell for more content. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.